Okay, now we're going to do a tutorial on the customer tab, sub-tab, equipment info. This is when things start to get really cool for our portal. So we're going to use this customer example here. Let's say that this customer has a 2 gig Go control panel. We just click the control panel that they have. We just made up a monitoring ID for this customer of 20280014. Now one thing that's cool about this is I can remove CSIDs and assign them. If I go to the setup tab and I put in a bunch of CSIDs, what's really nice is I can tell it, say, okay, 2028 is my prefix. It starts at 0001, ends with 9999. That's if you have a line card where they give you 10,000 account numbers. Sometimes they just give you 100 or 200. And all of those accounts have the same receiver number. They have the same, if it's also tied to AlarmNet, it will have the same city code and CSID for AlarmNet. And so when you click, see right now it says remove CSID. That's because there's already a CSID in there. If I clicked remove CSID, it would remove this and put that account number right here back into the pool of account numbers. And then this would say add CSID. So then when I click that, it would, it would say assign CSID, and then it would take from the pool and assign you the next CSID, and then you'd be ready to go. You don't have to go look through and find out what's the next CSID. You just click the button and it's done. So very easy. You'll like that feature a lot. And like I said, it's because our system ties that to a receiver number, you don't have to go put in the receiver number when you connect this to your alarm.com. So in this case, we're going to do that. Let's say that we used alarm.com Interactive Gold as the plan on this one. And I just put in a fake serial number here for the modem. And then I just clicked on the add-ons. So for the add-ons, let's modify that. Let's take off the garage, let's take off the medication alerts and secure. So let's say it's just garage doors, two-way voice, Z-Wave locks, and thermostats. Now I click OK. So then it shows all of my add-ons right here. And that's kind of nice that I can just modify those quickly and put it here, and then it knows what to pass through when I integrate with alarm.com. So I'm going to just go ahead and create an alarm.com customer from this account. So when I click create in alarm.com, it's going to take a minute because my internet's slow. It's going to say success, that it was updated. But when I come over here, it actually gives us an error. See in red here where it says alarm.com customer ID, modem serial not found. That's because that's a fake modem serial number. So I can just erase that. And then I would try it again with the correct serial number. Whatever that message is there that we got, where it says modem serial not found, or whatever error you get, that is directly from alarm.com. It's not something internal, so you know it's the actual problem. I'm not going to go ahead and actually create one right now because I don't have one to create, but you can see how that works. So if I had a correct modem number here, then it would use, from the customer information, it would use all of this information, and then it would also use the email address that you have for that particular customer, all of that information, and it would put it through and pass it through to alarm.com, and then it would, right here, instead of modem serial not found, if everything worked, it would tell us the alarm.com customer ID that it created. And then when I click update, that would give us further integration stuff down the road. Now let's say I didn't do alarm.com, let's say I did AlarmNet. Right now we don't have this. AlarmNet has always had the different mindset of we integrate with central stations rather than dealers. However, just yesterday I spoke with them. They are changing the way they do work, and they're making it so that dealers can integrate. So we're going to give you the ability to come in here. When you assign the CSID, it's tied to a city code and CSID for AlarmNet. So you would put in the serial number or the MAC address and then the CRC, and then you'll be able to have a button that will say create a customer in AlarmNet, and that will be done in an instant as well. You'll also be able to do Total Connect. We're in the process of doing all of that, so you can configure the Total Connect features, everything, all from our website. And that's the gist of how this site works. Of course, down the road, we're also working on DSC Cellular, which is Connect 24 integration. And we are also working very closely with Telguard So let's see here if this was a Telguard basic account, or we'll have all the different plans for Telguard on here. And then you'll be able to create it a Telguard customer, because I know that they're doing their plans for some of the DSC panels and the 2 gig panels now that are going to blow you away with their rates. So we're working closely to integrate with them. We like this page a lot. We think it makes your life easier, and we hope that you like it as well.